Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Chris and I'm going to show you quickly how to deposit crypto into your Yanda account so you can begin trading. Now, if you already own some Bitcoin or another crypto like Ethereum, Litecoin, we got Compound, USDT or WTC, there's a lot, thousands of different cryptocurrencies that you can choose from. You can see here the list is never ending. This is the way to do it. You can find your wallet address. So you've got a wallet for each coin, and you can literally just hit deposit, and this will make a come up with a pop-up that will show your, for this example, TNB address. So you can either scan it if you're using your phone, or if you've got your phone with an exchange that you have this currency on, or you can just copy and paste your wallet address onto the wallet that you have the funds on that you wish to send to Yanda and hit OK. Now, once you do that, we're going to go over to deposits and withdraw. And here you're going to see all of your deposits on the left-hand side in real time. So you're either going to get pending statuses, successful statuses, or failed statuses. And they will show up here so you can keep track of them. And then if you go to your dashboard, again, once you have this, TNB would show up as available and you'd have your total amount that you own here. And that's basically it to deposit a crypto. So if you've got any questions, get us in the Telegram group or email us at support@yanda.io, and either myself or one of the members of the team will be happy to help you deposit some crypto to get you trading. So until the next video, may the profits be with you.